Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are playing, let's see what we're playing. Sorry, it's my charging cord. The Climb on Roblox. Yeah, I barely know about this game. All I know is that you climb a mountain with a ladder.
Welcome to my game, The Climb. It's great to have you here.
We're going to turn my volume up so that we can hear this guy talking.
This is a game about climbing a mountain with nothing but your problem-solving skills. Oh, I should probably also mention you get a ladder. That is a pretty important detail. To climb this mountain, you'll need to use your ladder to climb walls, get across gaps, and grab ledges. Simply take out the ladder tool to place a ladder.
Okay, nope. This is going to suck because I don't want to spend like 5 hours on this game. Also, this episode's only going to be like 5 minutes long. Because, okay, yeah, we're already a minute in. That's pretty bad if we want to make this video 5 minutes long. Because we're not even at the, well, now we're at the first
You've
checkpoint.
reached your first checkpoint. Walk close to the campfire to activate the checkpoint. You'll respawn at the checkpoint if you happen to fall off the mountain. Your checkpoint progress also saves if you leave and rejoin the game.
Can I like turn my sensitivity up somehow? Audio volume, voiceover, statistics. Yo, hold up, wait, I see something. Yo! Okay. Progress. 47%. What? Yo, no way. Are we that close to already beating the game? Okay, we're not finna talk to him. Because most time when I do pop-ups, my PlayStation decides to glitch out.
This game was inspired by Getting Over It and Steep Steps. Getting Over It is a game where you climb a mountain using only a hammer.
Yeah, I might play that one day.
I hated the game, yet I kept coming back to climb the mountain every time I fall.
Yeah.
It made me realize that you can look at any challenge in life like a mountain. Sure, you can climb halfway up and fall all the way down, but if you keep trying for long enough, you'll eventually succeed. Or you can give up, and sometimes that's okay too.
It's okay to give up. Okay. Going to have to attempt. No. Ah. Well. Okay. Okay, we got it. We got it. Okay. I don't know how big this game is or how long it is. Also, there's an obby called Duck Obby, where it's like you're a duck and you have to get through an obby. We're playing that eventually. Yo, there's a star down there, but I really don't want to fall. No!
It seems like your ladder has fallen into the void. Don't worry, it will respawn.
No! Bruh. Idiot. You idiot. That's not even my ladder. Actually, yes it is.
Steep Steps is a game on Roblox where you use a ladder to climb a mountain. Well, when I first played it, I decided I wanted to make a similar game, which is the one you're playing now.
Okay. Go up.
I only played Steep Steps briefly. I didn't even reach the first checkpoint. I did this because I wanted to make this game as unique as possible. Hopefully I've succeeded.
You know what, guys? We're moving on to Duck Obby. And we're in the game. Alright, let me make sure. I really don't want music playing. Okay, so we're purple. So purple is going to be the... Okay, checkpoints every 10 meters. I've played this before on my original account. Okay, we're only 5 minutes in. Well. This obby is incredibly easy, bro. Wow. Also, there's stuff like poison, spikes. Yeah, there's like a lot of stuff in this game. I've gotten to 200 meters. I think 190. Okay. Also, if we press wipe data, I'm going to cry, so we have to be extra careful to not press that. We might use the mouse to press that. Hold on, let me make sure. Okay, yeah. We are going to attempt at least maybe 50 meters. And then in the next episode, we'll get to 100. Maybe go over 70 meters. Also, 5 new people subscribed. Actually, I know who 4 of them people are. Okay, so that's how I got 4. Wow. Wait. 3? Maybe 4. Also, guys, when our character kind of goes oof oof, we kind of nah. Stop and see the view. I gotta get the thumbnail. Okay, we got the thumbnail. Alright. Boogly boggly. This bird built like hobbly dobbly. No, I do not want to add bird game to favorite. I may like bird game, but bird game not going me favorite. Favorite. I got it. Okay, guys, I gotta stop screaming. No birds past this point go through the cave. Bruh. Okay. We probably aren't going to make it to 50 meters. 50, the limit. Okay. Never mind. Yeah. This is making me mad. I don't like being mad. This is starting to make me mad. Right. Okay, I don't know if that duck noise is copyrighted. Hopefully not. It shouldn't be. How is the noise gonna be copyrighted? Okay, guys, I'm sorry. Oh, we made it to 30. Yo, we're making it to 50. Oh, that was close. If we want to make it to 50, we gonna have to hurry. Cause guys, I gotta go to bed soon. I got school tomorrow. That gonna suck. Guys, I promise when I graduate from school, I'm gonna start uploading a lot more. Like, a lot more. You know, that'll be a couple years from now. And I don't even know if YouTube's going to be up in a couple years from now. Or if I'm going to even be alive in a couple years from now. Or if there's not going to be a world war in a couple years from now. Anything could happen, guys. That's all I'm trying to get at. Oh, I just remembered I was supposed to record another video of me and my friend Infinite today. We were going to do a rematch in a Black Flash tournament, but, you know. It is what it is. I don't care if we get past 10 minutes on this recording. This is for y'all. This is for all of the times I had to make up for missing videos. This video, also the live stream that's coming soon, is going to make up a lot of stuff. I'm telling y'all, on the 8th, I said the 9th, but I forgot the 9th is a Sunday, and I obviously can't do a live stream on a Sunday. Not like I have church or anything, because I don't go to church, but, no. But, okay, you know, okay, we're already 11 minutes in, bro. We might go back to Climb Over. Is that the game's name? I already forgot. One day we might go back to it. We might, you know, start recording on it again. But I'm kind of mad at it right now. So I mean, my bad. One thing I like about this game is that you can actually press the jump button. I know the point of the other game was to climb over a ladder and not normally. But they should at least allow you to jump a very small bit, because I hate having to use that ladder every 5 seconds. Oh, this is where this starts to be dumb. Okay, guys, should we also go for 60, maybe 70? You know what, yeah. I don't know how many meters this game is. Also, passes, confetti cannon, speed seed, bird customizer, explode all birds. Super speed, stackable, moon gravity, stackable, summon fog. Huh. And then there's skip a level for 100. That might come in handy one day if we get like super stuck on a level. But until then, I don't know. Let's see. I don't want to make this recording too long, but I also don't want to make it too boring for y'all, bro. Like, I don't want y'all to be left bored all day, stuck at home, be like, oh, Hunsko hasn't uploaded. My favorite YouTuber, even though that's literally no one. We made it. 60 meters. Guys, I hope that music wasn't copyrighted. Most likely it... Okay. Well, anyways, since we're falling, I might as well just go ahead and say, I'm going to go ahead and end the episode here. Thank you all so much for watching. Yeah. Y'all... Oh! We're white. Okay, but anyways, guys, thank you all so much for watching. You know more? What's this game called? Obby, but your bird game. I'm gonna just call it bird game. Y'all want more bird game? Please like, comment, subscribe. It really mean a lot. You can always unsubscribe or unlike because this channel sucks. Well, that's my opinion. Well, y'all can think whatever, but still, 95 subscribers is the worst. I mean, it's better than nothing. But anyways, bye guys.